So thanks for enrolling in this course. So let's now begin. Okay, so click on the sign up option over here at the top. Okay, once you do that, now you'll get some options to enter your username, email and password. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so let me log in. So I'm now logged into the dashboard. I'm able to see the total plays that I have. For example, today my videos have been viewed by 9 people. In the last 7 days, 940 people have viewed it. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Now you can see the report section where this is the number of plays and all this stuff. Okay, so I'm just giving you an insight of say how many people generally view videos using the Viloud player. Okay, so and how you can embed it on your website, and how people are going to find it and come and play the video. Okay, so now let me teach you how you can create a channel. Okay, click on channels option over here, the button over here, right? The channels from this tab, and you are able to see I already have a channel called BP Long Stalking. Okay, now I'm going to remove that just to show you how this is going to work. Okay, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to say click on delete. Okay, I'm going to delete this channel. Okay, so now I click on create channel. Just a second, I don't have the pro feature, so I guess I need to once again I need to say I clicked on delete. Just a second. Yeah, it's gone now. Okay, so I have one more channel over lined up here. I have to delete that. That's a linear TV channel. Okay, I have a few channels over here which I also need to delete. Okay, so this is part of the when I had taken the pro plan and all these things had worked out for me. So I had to, just a second, let me delete all these channels to just show you how this is going to work. Okay, so bear with me just for a second. Yes, it's done. So now let me show you how you can create your first channel. Just click on create my first channel over here. Okay, so now you're able to see there are two options. You can create it from your content or from a YouTube playlist. Okay, so now let's start with defining a name for a channel. Okay, for example, if your channel is about movies and trailers, right, just type in movies and trailers TV or something like that. Okay, once you do that, just a second. So once you do that, just a sec, I will have to go to youtube.com or Vimeo. I'll choose YouTube here. Okay, now I type in I type in movie trailers kids or what, something like that. Okay, so now I see a lot of movie trailers have been popping up. Right now, if I choose upload your logo, I'm able to upload my own logo that is included in the pro plan. Okay, so that your channel your logo will appear. Okay, I can also choose a channel color. That is pretty interesting, right? So all this is part of the pro plan. Okay, so now I'll teach you what you can do with the linear TV option. Okay, linear TV is like everybody will be able to view the same content everywhere. Okay, people cannot skip. Okay, it's like traditional television. Okay, so when I click on linear TV, I'll show you with one option with linear TV and one with a YouTube playlist. Okay, so let me show you with linear TV. Start time you can give 00, it'll start at the same time. Okay, so there's a beta feature. Okay, now let me click on accept here. I had to click on accept. Once I do that, now I'm able to add videos to this. Now I can add. Now click on add video over here. Okay, so okay, just a second. Before you do that, you have to have the videos in your content, because this is how linear TV would work. YouTube playlist, I'll teach you in the next video how you can do that. So right now we are dealing with linear TV. Okay, so go to content over here and click on content over here and click on add YouTube video. Okay, once you do that, you just need the URL of this particular video. So for example, if we can take the Boss Baby official trailer for example. Okay, so right click the Boss Baby official trailer, you will be able to find the link of this, copy link. and paste the link over here. This is the YouTube link, and type in Boss Baby Trailer, okay, the name of the video, okay, which is going to appear over there. So do that, click on the add option over here. Okay, so once that is done, you have to go back to channels, okay, and then you have to, you know, click here, okay, and no, just click this and click on add video. And once you do that, now search for Boss Baby, and and check this box and click on accept. That means the video is added to your channel. Okay, now go back to your dashboard. No, just click on preview this. Let's preview how this, you know, video is working. Yeah, it's working well. It's working. Yeah, so this would continue, right? So this would normally continue. Okay, so you are able to, you know, see, if you click on adding videos, keep on adding videos, you're able to, you know, see content that will appear in your player. Okay, so I taught you about, you know, how to add say videos. I taught you about how you can use the channels and content, you know, options. Now let us delve into the playlist in the next video. Before that, I wish to tell you one more thing. Okay, you want the link to this channel, right? Just click on the embed option over here. You will be able to find the link over here. Okay, just copy this, Control C. Okay, so once you have copied this, just open a new tab and paste it over here. Okay, paste this over here. Just a second, I'll have to, you know, get the link for this. Let me click on preview. Just a second. We'll go back to this. Sorry, I had to go back to the sharing one, not the embed one. I'm extremely sorry. So I'll have to, you know, use this sharing because I've used it a lot on my website. So I was just thinking of it. Now it's going to work. Okay, so this is a link to the channel that you can share on social media. Okay, you can also embed them on a website, which will also do in the future videos. So this is how you can, you know, drive people to, you know, your channel. For example, you can have your own videos as advertisements right after a particular video plays. Okay, for example, you can also go over here and click on content and add your own brand video. Okay, for example, I can, you know, click on add YouTube video. Okay, for the link I would take any of the brand videos. For example, you have a marketing video, right? Marketing video. Okay, for example, assume James Wedmore is you and you have this marketing video. Just click on copy link and now paste this and type in video ad or anything you can type in. Okay, you can type in video ad. Okay, and click on add. Okay, and once you do that, you have to go back to the channel as I told you before and click on add video, search for ad, find the video ad. Okay, add it to the first position or a custom position that you can define. For example, custom position would be the number 2 after the first video plays, and click on accept. So you will find this over here. Okay, so that means after Boss Baby trailer is going to play, your video ad will play. This is how it's going to work, and this is how, you know, how you can start a live streaming, you know, linear channel, TV channel, kind of, you know, using Viloud. Okay, so in the next video, let's deal with how you can use the same platform to input, you know, say to get more content without even struggling. For example, here I've used single videos for you to add. You don't have to add single videos. You can import a huge playlist. I'll tell you how we can do that in the next video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.